Hello everyone, it's Metro. Welcome to my new viewers and welcome back to my regulars. Today's video is at Peekskill, New York, on the Hudson Line of Metro North Railway. General Electric built these units starting around 1990, 91, something like that. And I guess the production line stopped around 2001. In the process, they built approximately 320 units, most of which 240 of them, maybe 250 of them, went to Amtrak, with Metro North Railroad and Via Rail splitting up the balance, so to speak. The name Genesis came about after General Electric had a contest to get a name for this locomotive, and that was the winning suggestion. In the meantime, Amtrak, when they originally got them, were calling them AMD 103. Many of these units are, in a manner of speaking, running off their last miles. The new Siemens Charger SC42 will be more than likely replacing them. I think that's SC42DM, dual mode. And they will be coming in to replace most of these units on both Amtrak and Metro North. Supposedly, they do a lot better with the electricity than the Genesis units. Now, if you take a look just to my left, you probably noticed the original station house to the Peekskill Railroad Station. At this time, there is a very nice bistro cafe contained within the station house. Let's go take some lunch pictures. This is now called the Central, which I imagine comes from the New York Central Railroad. And the place is very nice, very well maintained, very clean. The prices are good and the portions are big, and the staff is very pleasant. There's even an outdoor area here where you can watch the trains. Amtrak is giving a new lease on life to some of the P42s. What they're doing is converting them into what they call P42C, and that's a cab car. They are removing the prime movers and simply outfitting the unit to serve as a cab control car on the other end of the train where the motive power is not. Amtrak has done this before with several different models. Most of the time we call them cabbage, the idea being cab car, baggage car, therefore cabbage. That will not happen with the P42s because the body is in fact structural part of the unit, and should you cut a big door and create a compartment inside that unit, you would be compromising its integrity. So these will be just cab cars. One of them already passed by here in an earlier clip on the video, 9702, which was converted from Unit 177. And at the end, I'll show you the arrival of 9700 after it was converted from 184 and delivered to Albany in October of 24. This is 9700, one of the cab units which Amtrak now calls P42C. This was previously number 184, and on this day in October of 2024, it had just been released from its rebuild at the Beach Grove shops, and it was brought to Albany right here on the Lakeshore Limited. The cars attached to it are train 448, which is the Boston section of the Lakeshore Limited when it's eastbound. This brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. Please remember to like and subscribe as you leave. And stay well and blessed until next time.